IARPC Collaborations brings together funders, Arctic scientists from all sectors, Arctic community members, and others to share knowledge and resources that help accelerate the progress of Arctic research. If you can contribute your expertise, we would love to have you join us. To request a free account, click Request an Account on the top right of the public homepage. Fill out the form to tell us a little bit more about who you are and how you can contribute. Once you have been approved, you will receive login information that you can use on the sign-in page to access the member space. When you first log in, you'll land on your member homepage. This is where you'll find everything you need to use the site. The yellow box on the left shows the most important first steps. Be sure to review the codes of conduct and update your profile so that other members will know who you are. Please fill out as much information as possible and especially add a profile photo so that colleagues can recognize you. You can also add the organizations you're affiliated with, and you can tell us about your research interests in the biography section. Finally, click Save, and you're ready to go. Next, you'll want to join one or more of our collaboration teams. Our collaboration teams are organized around the goals of the Arctic Research Plan. We also have additional self-forming teams that have been created by our members. You can join as many teams as you like. There is no obligation to do anything once you join a team, but you'll get automatic email reminders for their meetings and see their posts in your email digest and homepage. Click on a team to view that team's homepage, where you can access the contact information for members, see upcoming events, and learn about that team's research objectives. Join the team by clicking this button in the top right. Once you've joined, you can RSVP for the team's next meeting by clicking into the event on the right-hand sidebar and then selecting I will attend. By RSVPing, you sign up to receive a reminder email 24 hours before the meeting begins. You can also find the Zoom connection information for the event on the event page. You can share resources with the IARPC Collaborations community by posting updates, documents, and events. These posts are permanently archived on the site and are searchable. Plus, the more you post, the website learns about your interests and will populate your homepage with content that is relevant to you. Updates can be almost anything, including news, interesting links, and other research resources. Include a descriptive title and one or more topics. Topics are like keywords or tags. They make posts easier to search for. You can select from a predefined list of topics, or you can make your own. Then tag the teams to which your update is relevant. This will add the update to the team's homepage. Next, add your content in the description box, including any photos or videos as needed. If the update is related to a performance element within the Arctic Research Plan, you can add those as well. When you click Save, that will post the update and you'll be taken to the post. If you have a document or an event, the process is very similar. Just click Schedule Event or Upload Document instead of Post Update and you'll be taken to a form like the Update one. Scheduling an event will automatically add it to the IARPC Collaborations calendar. If you are a presenter at a collaboration team meeting, we ask you to upload your slides beforehand so that people who can't connect to Zoom due to workplace restrictions or internet access will be able to follow along during your presentation. From your homepage, click Upload Document, then navigate to any PowerPoint or PDF file. Keep in mind that we have a file size limit of about 75 megs. When you click the blue Upload button, you'll be taken to a form to fill out a few more pieces of information about the file. Please be sure to use a descriptive title so people know what your presentation is about. Next, add topics. Think of them like tags or keywords you might use on a research paper. Then add the collaboration team or teams you're presenting to. Add your name in the author section, and add an abstract or names of your collaborators or a brief summary in the description section. Finally, if the collaboration team leader has identified any performance elements for your presentations, please add those. Then click Save and your slides will be live on the website. Please bear in mind that collaboration team meetings are generally recorded and uploaded to our YouTube channel and posted on the event post. If you need to edit your document or any other post, click on your account name in the upper right-hand corner and select Profile. This will take you to your profile, which also serves as a personal archive of all of your posts. Select the post you'd like to edit, and then edit as needed. Thank you for taking the time to watch our tutorial video. If you need help at any time, you can always reach out to the web manager at web@iarpiccollaborations.org.